Samsung Galaxy Note 9 leak, popular feature to miss next flagship smartphone release? Samsung may opt for a more budget-friendly phablet update for the next Galaxy Note 9, meaning no underscreen fingerprint reader. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9, due out later this year, may not feature an underscreen fingerprint reader. Despite plenty of information to confirm that Samsung is looking into ultrasonic underscreen fingerprint reading technology, it appears it won't be rolling it out soon. Some sources have suggested Samsung is saving its budget on the Note 9 to add more impact to the launch of the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy X in early 2019. A new set of renders via reliable leakster at OnLeaks shows off what the Galaxy Note 9 could look like, including a rear-placed fingerprint scanner. Of course, the Huawei P20 Pro features an optical fingerprint scanner under its screen as well as a rear-placed fingerprint scanner, so there is still a chance the Note May 9 also have both. Since the P20 Pro uses that optical scanner, the rear-placed reader makes sense for a more secure version, whereas Samsung's ultrasonic tech should mean it only needs one underscreen scanner. Samsung is also rumored to be improving its facial recognition tech with a larger camera sensor on the front of the Galaxy Note 9. The renders show off a Galaxy Note 9 with Samsung's now famous infinity display, meaning minimal bezels and a Super AMOLED QHD end screen. There should also be a 3.5mm audio port as well as USB-C for fast charging the phone. Of course, the S Pen stylus is also present. This is a feature rumored to get a big improvement for this generation of Galaxy Note. Other specs leaked so far include a dual rear camera which, according to this latest render, will feature the lenses set side by side. The phone is expected to come running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor backed by up to 6 GB of RAM and the Android 8.1 operating system. Samsung is also expected to update its Bixby artificially intelligent assistant to Bixby 2.0 with a dedicated button as well as smarter use cases. Expect to use the AI to control and navigate the phone as well as controlling other devices beyond it, like wireless headphones. This will come as part of the inclusion of more third-party apps, which mean wider use of voice to interact with the phone's offerings. Samsung purportedly wants individuals to train the AI assistant to identify their individual timbre, so Bixby can give personalized answers. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is expected to launch around August this year.